got coffees.
Yes, that helped.
The coffee stop at Holbrook always helps. Okay, so we're finally on the way to get the barn find Desert Green TT Mk1 convertible with a green drop top. There's not many that I've seen around in Australia. I know I've seen another one running in Sydney, but I think that's it. If you do have one or know of someone that has one in Australia, let us know. You know, green coffee cups. You're wearing a green t-shirt.
So are you.
I am wearing a green t-shirt. It's all very green today. Before
That was not planned.
No, it wasn't planned. It's pretty funny to pick up the green car, the green TT. Quick stop off at Barney's for some food before getting into the work. So this is pretty funny. When we look at that little diagram to show you how to tow, where to place the car, look what car it is. This is what happens when you don't bring proper tools for the job.
Yeah, just ready to be filmed.
Back on its coilovers. We got the TT on there. There is a spare engine in the back here as well. And all the bumpers, undertrays. It's pretty good that he kept everything, right?
Yeah, no, super good. All the paperwork.
Yeah, so then it's just getting it out on the other end, isn't it?
Yes, that will be fun.
Goodness, the difference that's made. Alright, so we can actually see the paint is in a really good condition. Same with the headlights. Nice and clear. Yeah, so that's looking heaps better now that dust is gone. Looks like the car took a ride on the Spirit of Tasmania. There's that amazing green drop top there. This is starting to delaminate here at the top, so that's going to definitely be a repair job that I'll do a video on, clean that up and get it all fixed up. And there's the back end, that famous bubble butt. Wow, look at that green. It's going to look really, really nice, especially when it gets a proper wash and not just a cheeky little wipe down. But really happy with how that's turned out. Really, really happy. Good wood sticker, which is really cool. Very nice. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching the Audi TT come out of the barn and back to our place for some good old restoration work. If you'd like to see more Audi TT Mk1 content, don't forget to like and subscribe to see how this project goes. Bye.